Now, question 13. I once met 6 siblings whose ages were 6 consecutive whole numbers. I asked each of them the question, how old is your oldest sibling? Which of the following could not be the sum of their 6 answers? So we need to know which of the following is not a correct answer. So this is very important. So we need to know which one is not working. Now, if we assume that all of them with like different ages, we know that because they are like consecutive whole numbers and they are next to each other. For example, if I pick the oldest one and his name, for example, or his age is X, let's assume that. Now, if I ask, for example, the youngest one, so he would say that the oldest young or the oldest sibling will have an age that is X. Now, if I ask the second one, he will answer X. If I ask the third one, he would answer X. If I ask the fourth one, he would answer X because X is the oldest. And if I ask the fifth one, he will answer X. How about if I ask the older one? So he would think that from the other siblings, which one is the oldest? So who would say that the answer is X minus 1. So this is very important for the last one. Because if we play this game together, assume this, the first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Assume the ages are this. So if the eldest one is like his age is X. So if you ask the first one, he would say that the older one is 6. If I ask this one, he would say that the oldest the oldest one is 6 as well. And if I ask this one, and this one, so all of them will answer the same question or the same number. But if I ask this person, what is the oldest age of your sibling, so who would answer this one? Okay, so this is the technique or the idea for this one. So for sure you have here 6x minus 1. And I would like to see which answer should match between the given. So if the answer is 95, so it's so easy to know that 95 then plus 1, so the answer is 96. And if you just divide by 6, so the answer for sure is divisible by 6. So this could be. So remember that you need an answer that is or couldn't be. So if the answer is 125, which is the second choice, so we know that 125 plus 1, so 126. And if you divide it by 6, so the answer is divisible by 6 because it's divisible by 2 and it's divisible by 3. So this answer is a true answer that I don't need to take. Okay. Now, if the answer is 167, so 167 plus 1, so 168, and this number is for sure divisible by 2, divisible by 3, and therefore it's divisible by 6, which means this could be a true answer. Remember, we need an answer that is not true. So if you check that 205, so 205 plus 1, so 206, and 206 is divisible by 6. No, unfortunately, because this number is not divisible by 3. So therefore, answer choice D matching our situation.